ELS Language Centers on the campus of Bowling Green State University is located in Bowling Green, Ohio. Bowling Green is a small town, which makes it very safe. There's also free transportation that will take you all around campus and even downtown. Well, when students first come, they can expect to find a welcoming environment.
I love this campus. It's like a very big garden, and the security, you can feel it. You can find all that you need, very safe and quiet for a study. I love it.
Campus police patrol 24 hours, non-stop every day.
It's really small town, everybody is so friendly, and I love that.
They are really nice to us. When we have some question, they can answer us right away.
Students can expect to be taught by a highly qualified and well-trained staff who truly care about their needs as students. We have teachers who have taught all over the world and have lived abroad, and so they have, a wide variety of experiences and backgrounds. All of them are highly trained, and all of them care deeply for their work. We have a lot of resources that students can take advantage of. We offer 2 open labs that students can come after hours, and we all will go above and beyond to make sure that a student will receive any help they want.
The teachers are amazing. They are very well prepared. They are polite and explain us many different techniques for teach us English in a funny way. You can learn and don't feel bored.
The ELS is really help you to improve your English skill, teach you how to learn English, speak English, how to write like the document. It's really helpful.
ELS is a great partner, and it's a great pathway for students who are academically prepared to come to the university but need to improve their language skills. Our College of Business is highly ranked. We also have a very unique aviation program. We actually have an airport on our campus. We are just one of the 3 in the country that has such thing to offer our international and domestic students.
For all of the undergraduate students, all of the programs offer the conditional letter of admission, which allows students to get their admission before they even start studying at ELS. We have usually trips out to Bowling Green or Toledo. We might go to the zoo or a baseball game or a museum of art.
ELS every week has activities, so you can share with the other friends, other people, other students. They show you all the university.
If you want to learn English, you want to learn different culture, choose the ELS because I think this is the best school for your improved English skill. I meet a lot of friends here, and this is my first time to talk to native speaker, and make a friend. So it's good. It's amazing.
Well, I recommend this institute, especially Bowling Green, because it's a very beautiful and you can feel comfortable like home.
I love ELS.
I love ELS.
I love ELS.